everyone, welcome back to my English pronunciation video. I'm with CV, and today we'll be talking about common English pronunciation mistakes made by non-native speakers, and most importantly, how to fix them. English is a tricky language, especially when it comes to pronunciation. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced speaker, everyone has had those moments where certain sounds just don't feel natural. Therefore, in today's video, we'll cover the most common mistakes made by non-native English speakers, and more importantly, how to fix them. We are starting with the famous f sound. One of the biggest pronunciation challenges for non-native speakers is the f sound, which comes in two varieties: voiced as in this and unvoiced as in think. Many speakers of French, Spanish, and some Asian languages like Mandarin and Japanese replace the th sound with the s and t sounds because the th sound doesn't exist in their native language. To pronounce it correctly, place your tongue lightly between your teeth and either push air out for the unvoiced, like think, think, or add your voice for the voiced, like this, this. I know you want to know the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds, or voiced and unvoiced sounds. That's a topic for another day. But the easiest way to know the difference is the vibration meaning. If you feel air vibration in your vocal cord while pronouncing the sound, then it's voiced, like this, that, the, they, there. But if you don't feel air vibration in your vocal cord while pronouncing the sound, then it's unvoiced or voiceless. For instance, think, thin, thought, thing, bath. Can you separate the voiced and unvoiced sounds from this sentence? I think that this is the best bath. I think that this is the best bath. Moving on, we have the r and the l sound. This is a common difficulty for East Asian speakers like Japanese and Koreans. In English, the r and l are two distinct or different sounds, but in languages like Japanese, they are often merged into a single sound. For example, it's right, not light, and it's rock, not lock. It's also rose, not lows. The mistake some non-native speakers do is replacing the r sound with the l sound, or replacing the l sound with the r sound. So my friend, to nail the l sound, place your tongue against the roof of your mouth, right behind your teeth, like this. L, 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 light, leather, low. And the r sound, pull your tongue back without touching anything, like this. R, r, as in rose, red, road, roof. You can practice it with this tongue twister: red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. So red leather, not lead redder. Yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. And the third most common pronunciation mistakes non-native speakers make is with the schwa sound. The schwa sound. Did you know that the most common vowel sounds in English isn't a, e, or the o sound or the o sounds? It's actually the schwa sound, represented by the I would say the upside down E. It's super important because it appears in unstressed syllables, but many non-native speakers tend to overpronounce vowels. To sound more natural, try to relax your mouth for unstressed syllables and aim for natural vowel sound. It's subtle but makes a big difference. Words like banana, about, sofa are often mispronounced as banana, about, sofa. No. For example, the banana is on the sofa. The banana is on the sofa, not the banana is on the sofa. The fourth is the v and w confusion. These specific sounds always make me laugh during my lessons. So speakers of languages like Hindi, German, and Russians often struggle with v and w in English. These two sounds are quite different. Germans sometimes replace the v sound with the w sound. So instead of saying vest, they say west. And instead of saying wine, they say vine. To pronounce w, make a small round shape with your lips as if you're blowing a kiss, like this. W, w. And for v sound, your top teeth should lightly touch your bottom lip as if you're buzzing it, like this. Practice this with me. He went west to find a vest. He went west to find a vest. I have wine with my vine. I have wine with my vine. In many languages, final consonants are soft or completely dropped. But dropping final consonants in English can make your speech unclear. For example, words like walk, talk, big, and stop. Some non-native speakers pronounce these words without the k, the p, or the g sounds. So they are like walk, talk, or big, which is not correct. So to avoid this mistake, make sure you pronounce the final consonants clearly, especially the k, the t, the g, and the p sounds. It may feel unnatural at first, but it will help make your speech more understandable. Let's do a little practice. Walk and talk with a big clock. Walk and talk with a big clock. Walk and talk with a big clock. Before we end this video, here are a few tips to help you improve your pronunciation over time. Listen and imitate. That's, you try to mimic how native speakers talk by watching movies, TV shows, or podcasts. Next, record yourself and compare your pronunciation with native speakers. And another one, use pronunciation tools. There are tons of apps and websites that will help improve your pronunciation. For example, Bubbles or Reverso. And finally, practice, practice, practice. Pronunciation takes time, so be patient with yourself, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which English sounds give you the most trouble. Subscribe for more language tips, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.